Nestled in the heart of Brampton, Ontario, stands a true architectural marvel born from a unique vision and expert craftsmanship. The house showcases the perfect blend of contemporary aesthetics and functionality. What makes this project truly exceptional is that it utilized the existing foundations of an old bungalow, giving it new life and purpose. The client's initial request was to build an addition to their aging bungalow in Brampton, Ontario. Rather than demolishing the entire structure, we conducted a thorough assessment of the existing foundations. The house features clean lines, a sleek design, and a harmonious color palette that complements its surroundings. Its exterior exudes modern elegance while still paying homage to the architectural roots of the old bungalow. One of the standout features of this house is the double-height great room that serves as the central hub of the home. The soaring ceilings and expansive windows flood the space with natural light, creating an inviting and airy atmosphere. Strategically placed skylights above the kitchen flood the space with natural light, enhancing the welcoming ambience of this central gathering area. A luxurious indoor swimming pool allows for year-round enjoyment and relaxation. It's a private escape that offers both fitness and leisure. The basement is a haven of entertainment, featuring a state-of-the-art theater room, perfect for movie nights and gatherings with friends and family. This integration has resulted in a breathtaking home that offers luxury, comfort, and functionality in equal measure. This project is a reminder that the possibilities for transformation are endless.